Ang daming bata.
Alright. Here goes the kids to the rescue. Alright, go. Alright, now it's tiger. Alright, so guys, hold on to the space camera and keep us your careful to that smile. We sunshine our reverse track behind it. Alright, go, face camera. Family pictures. Alright, round of applause for our volunteer, the Lead Rescue, and our Earth Track Titan Sunshine. Alright, kids, sige na, leadership.
Akala yung kaibon to
Okay, so much room.
Baka may nawawala pa pag may isa pa dun.
Here from the ocean part, we believe that there's we're going to try to take care of our sea.
Kaloka. Bigla ko lang kaposa yung page.
Rules to yours. One of those. Reduce that. Where's alright. So once again, our love viewers, we're going to go the proper way to go. Slowly, dazzle, and twinkle. Twinkle's our hero, yellow brown and African parrot. They're primarily green and pink species usually have yellow brown. They are also known as the yellow-brown African. This identity is how so our Sarah. And that is Twinkle. We're going to do the touch. Okay, Twinkle. Alright, so everybody do it ready. So first you twist, so can we. Alright, this little hand, we hope you enjoy the show. We're the fire spectacular. Now we're only for our household, the same action, sitting together for the next vacation or the next station. At least, let us do our part to take it over. Because remember, it's only God. So now we are presenting the people and birds to the English world possible. Treat her now, baby chance. Treat her as a quickly. Treat her air fast, and now we're somebody in your heart. And I treat her Oliver, with Nico, we hope you enjoy the show. But before that, our birds wants to give you a message. Thank you, man. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you for watching.